China is our major supplier of manufactured goods and increasingly more high-tech manufactured goods. When I walk on Sydney streets now, it's very obvious there are Chinese electric vehicles everywhere. It's a big impact, but it's also quite a broad one as well. So I am very confident about China in the long term. I think the composition is just going to get more and more diverse. In other words, there'll be more and more sectors of the Australian economy that will benefit from trade with China. So I don't think the best days of the Australia-China trade relationship are behind us. I think I'm quite confident actually that the best days remain in the future. Look, every time I think foreigners go to China, they're impressed because there's always big changes compared with when they were last there. Yeah, I mean overall, it's hard not to be impressed by the world-class infrastructure and so on. You would be aware that Australians are now able to go to China visa-free. Right? Fantastic. The more trade barriers that we can eliminate, the better that's going to help. There was a very interesting poll of Australian public opinion done not so long ago, and they asked Australians, what causes you to have a more positive impression of China, or what causes you to have a more negative impression of China? And the number one positive factor was that Australians said, well, the more Chinese people I meet, the more positive I am about China. No surprise, right? So I think the more we can encourage those people-to-people flows, that's certainly an advantage.